Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name's Erica. If you're new here, welcome. In today's video, we're going to be going over Dollar General 5 off 25 all digital scenarios for Saturday, July 25th. We have some very low out-of-pockets, but we have one super low out-of-pocket scenario for you. If you want to see what those scenarios are, just keep watching. Most couponers use rebate apps, and to be honest, there are only two rebate apps I really use. Those two apps are Fetch Rewards and IBOTTA. These are the two easiest rebate apps to use with the biggest returns. So if you aren't already using these apps, you should go ahead and download them, and you can use my referral code. For Fetch Rewards, my referral code is VRYQQ. You'll get 2,000 bonus points for using my referral code when you scan your first receipt. In my personal opinion, Fetch Rewards is the easiest one to use. You don't have to clip any offers. Fetch has over 300 participating brands. You go shopping, you scan your receipt. Every receipt is worth at least 25 points. If you purchase one of their participating brands, you get bonus points. So again, my referral code is VRYQQ. The next app I suggest is IBOTTA. If you download IBOTTA, use my referral code. It's rwoenvt. IBOTTA has a ton of different offers you can choose from a ton of different stores. They also offer many different bonuses for different items purchased. Also, if you purchase a certain number of offers, they will give you bonus money for those. There's just a ton of different ways to get free money from IBOTTA, so go ahead and download the app. Use my referral code rwoenvt. That will add you to my team. Then we can earn team bonuses together. If you don't mind, go ahead and give this video a big thumbs up. It really helps my channel out when you do that. Before we get started, let's go over a few things you need to remember when shopping at Dollar General. The very first and most important rule is you want to scan every item in the store with your app. I'm going to show you how to do that in just a second, but the reason you are doing that is because you want to check that the prices come up correctly. There are times when an item could be on sale, or it could also be a price break, and the Dollar General employees just don't have time to change the tag. So you want to scan the item to make sure the price is what you have wrote down on your scenario, because if that price is off just a little bit and it throws you under $25, the 5 off 25 will not come off at the register. Another reason you're scanning those items is to make sure the digital coupons are attaching. At Dollar General, the digital coupons are very finicky. Sometimes it will attach to an item of 1 cent, but it will not attach to the same item of a different cent. So you need to scan to make sure those items are definitely attaching. If you're doing a gain scenario, you want to make sure the coupon you're using plus the gain coupon are both attaching to each item in that scenario. If there is one single item in that gain scenario that's not attaching to that gain coupon and it throws you below that $30 gain total, then that gain coupon is not coming off at the register. I'm also going to show you in just a second what I mean with that gain coupon attaching. Another thing to keep in mind is those instant savings. As an example, if you're doing a 5 off 25 deal and you have a spend 15 on Scott products, save $3 instantly, then you're going to have to make sure your new total is $28 before coupons, because that $3 will come off and you still have to be at that $25 threshold after that instant savings comes off. And lastly, get what you need, not what is cheap. I personally do not like travel and trial size items. So before I wouldn't even put them in my scenarios, but people really like the very low out-of-pocket scenarios with all the travel and trial size things. So now I try to include at least one very low out-of-pocket scenario for you. And now let's do a quick rundown of how to use the app. First thing you're going to do is open up the app. Once you open it up, you're going to click right here in the middle at the bottom onto list. Once this screen opens up, you're going to check the top. You're going to make sure this location is the store that you're at. If not, you're going to hit change store and put it on the correct location. Once you're set on the correct location, you're ready to scan some items. So you're going to click this little barcode here. The screen will pop up and then you are ready to scan. I'm going to scan a few items out of my stockpile to show you what will happen. Here is some Gain dish soap. When we scan it, we see there's a 50-cent coupon. We also see that the Gain digital coupon is attaching. Now we're going to click add to list. If you look up here, it'll show it in our cart. Click the deals applied. It'll show you what coupon attached to it. Now we're ready to scan another item. So let's click the barcode again. And like before, once you click the barcode, the screen will pop up and you can begin scanning another item. We're going to grab an Airwick oil twin pack. Let's go ahead and scan it. As you can see at the bottom, there's nothing there. That means no coupons have attached to this item. If you know for a fact this item does have a coupon and it's showing there's no coupons, go ahead and scan a different scent, because you may find a coupon for a different scent. Okay, now let's grab some U by Kotex and scan them and see if there's any coupons that attach to them. You find the barcode and scan it here. You will see that a $1 coupon attaches to this item. This little check mark over here has to be checked in order for the coupon to be clipped to your account. One more little thing I want to add is this total here at the bottom, the $4.27. Do not go by that total. That total is rarely correct. The best way to get your total is to do some old school math on a piece of paper with a pencil. Okay, let's get started on these scenarios. For deal 1, we're going to pick up 3 of the all free and clear laundry detergents. They're $4 each. We're going to use that buy 2, get 1 free Dollar General store coupon. Then we're going to pick up 1 of the Oral-B indicator toothbrushes. They're $2 each. We're going to use that $2 off 1 Oral-B toothbrush digital coupon. We're going to buy 1 Dawn Power Wash starter kit for $4.95. We're going to use that $2 off 1 Dawn Power Wash digital coupon. We're going to buy 1 Tide Simply for $2.95. We're going to use that $1 off 1 Tide Simply digital coupon. We're going to pick up 1 of the Gain Flings 14 count for $3.95. We're going to use that $2 off 1 Gain Flings digital coupon, and we're going to make sure that 5 off 25 digital coupon is clipped to our account. We're going to go up to the register. The cashier is going to ring up all of our items. Our total will come to $25.85. You're going to enter your number at the keypad. $16 worth of digital coupons will come off, making your new total before tax $9.85. Okay, moving on to deal number 2. We're going to buy 2 of the Shea Moisture Pure Virgin Coconut Oil, 3.2 ounce. They are $4 each. And we're going to use that 4 off 2 Shea Moisture Dollar General store coupon. Then we're going to buy 1 of the Oral-B indicator toothbrushes for $2. We're going to use that $2 off Oral-B digital coupon. Next, we're going to pick up 2 of the Febreze fabric sprays. They're $3.55 each. And we're going to use that 3 off 2 Febreze digital coupon. We're going to pick up 1 of the Tide liquid detergents for $8.95. We're going to use that $3 off 1 Tide digital coupon. And of course, we're going to make sure that 5 off 25 is clipped to our account. After the cashier rings up all of our items, our total will be $26.05. We're going to enter our number at the keypad. $17 worth of digital coupons are going to come off, making your new total before tax $9.05. Okay, deal number 3 is going to be our gain scenario. We're going to buy 1 of the 50 count Cascade Fresh Scent dishwashing detergents for $10. We're going to use that $2 off 1 Cascade digital coupon. We're going to buy 1 Gain liquid fabric softener, 90 ounces. They are $6.95. We're going to use that $2 off 1 Gain fabric softener digital coupon. We're going to buy 1 Gain Flings for 14 count for $3.95. We're going to use that $2 off Gain Flings digital coupon. Then we're going to pick up 2 of the Gain scented Febreze car clips or wax melts. You have to make sure it's Gain scented. They're $3 each. We're going to use that 3 off 2 Febreze digital coupon. Then you're going to pick up 2 of the Gain dish soaps. They're $2 each. You're going to use that 50-cent off 1 Gain dish soap digital coupon. You're going to definitely want to make sure that 5 off 30 Gain digital coupon is clipped to your account, as well as that 5 off 25. Now you're going to head on up to the register. The cashier is going to ring up all of your items. Your total is going to come to $30.90 before coupons. You're going to enter your number at the keypad. $19.50 worth of digital coupons will come off, making your new total before tax $11.40 for all of these Gain products. Okay, for our 4th deal, we're going to pick up 1 of the Cascade Action Pack 13 count. They are $4.50. We're going to use that 50-cent off 1 Cascade dishwashing detergent digital coupon. We're going to buy 2 of the Febreze small spaces, wax melt, or car clips. They are $3 each. We're going to use that 3 off 2 Febreze digital coupon. We're going to pick up 1 of the Gain Flings 14 count for $3.95. We're going to use that 2 off 1 Gain Flings digital coupon. We're going to pick up 1 of the Gain fabric softeners for $3.95. We're going to use that $2 off 1 Gain fabric softener digital coupon. We're going to pick up 1 Oral-B indicator toothbrush for $2. We're also going to use that $2 off Oral-B indicator toothbrush digital coupon. Then we're going to pick up 1 of the Dental Life mini 7 count bags. They're in the $1 aisle for $1. Then we're going to use that $1 off 1 Dental Life digital coupon. Then we're going to pick up 1 tube of the Crest Cavity Protection Toothpaste for $2. We're going to use that $1 off 1 Crest digital coupon. We're going to pick up 1 of the 2 packs of the Bic Gelosity pens for $2. We're going to use that $1 off 1 Bic digital coupon. Then we're going to make sure that 5 off 25 is definitely clipped to our account. The cashier is then going to scan all your items. Your total is going to come to $25.40 before coupons. You're going to enter your number at the keypad. $17.50 worth of digital coupons will come off, making your new total before tax $7.90. Okay, the next 3 screens are going to be our super low out-of-pocket one. We're going to get 16 items for $4. Again, this scenario is going to include a lot of travel trial size things. I don't personally do these kind of scenarios because I don't like trying to store all those little bottles, but if you are into the super low out-of-pocket ones, this is a scenario for you. Okay, for this last deal, we're going to pick up one of the Biofreeze 1 count. They're $1.75. There's a $2 off 1 Biofreeze digital coupon that attaches. We're going to pick up one of the Oral-B indicator toothbrushes for $2. We're going to use that $2 off Oral-B digital coupon. We're going to pick up 1 tube of Crest cavity protection toothpaste for $2. We're going to use that $1 off 1 Crest digital coupon. We're going to pick up 2 of the Head & Shoulders 3-ounce bottles in the travel section. They're $2 each. We're going to use that 3 off 2 Head & Shoulders digital coupon. We're going to buy 1 of the Dove dry shampoos. It's 1.15 ounce for $2. We're going to use that $1 off 1 Dove hair care Dollar General digital coupon. Then we're going to pick up 1 of the 2-pack mechanical pencils, the Bic Velocity. They're $1.50. We're going to use that $1 off 1 Bic digital coupon. We're going to pick up one of the Dental Life mini 7-count bags in the dollar aisle for $1. We're going to use that $1 off Dental Life digital coupon. We're going to pick up 3 of the American greeting cards. They're 50 cents each. We're going to use that $1.50 off 3 American greeting cards Dollar General store coupon. It's only going to take off $1.47 though, because Dollar General will not give them to you for absolutely free. Then we're going to buy 1 of the Cookie Crisp cereal, 10.6 ounce. It's on sale 3 for $6. We're going to buy 1 Cinnamon Toast Crunch, 12 ounce. It's also on sale 3 for $6. And we're going to buy 1 of the Reese's Puff cereal, 11.5 ounce. Also on sale 3 for $6. We're going to use that 75-cent off 1 Big G cereal digital coupon. Then we're going to use the $1 off 2 Big G cereal digital coupon. Then we're going to pick up 1 of the Olay Beauty Bar 2-count packs. They're $2.50. We're going to use that $1.50 off 1 Olay digital coupon. We're going to buy 1 Garnier Fructis shampoo 3-ounce bottle. It's in the travel section for $1.50. We're going to use that $1 off 1 Garnier product digital coupon. We're going to make sure that 5 off 25 is clipped to our account. And after hunting down all of these items, we're going to head on up to the register. Cashier is going to ring up all our items. Our total will be $25.75. You're going to enter your number at the keypad. $21.72 worth of digital coupons will come off, making your new total before tax $4.03, or just 25 cents per item. And that's it. That's all the scenarios I have for you today. I want to thank you all for taking the time to watch my videos. If you haven't already, please go ahead and give this video a big thumbs up. If you're not subscribed yet, go ahead and subscribe. Hit the little bell, turn on notifications to get a notification anytime I post a video. Also, if you have any questions, go ahead and drop the questions down below. Don't forget there's a printable breakdown in the description box below. And I guess until next time, bye.